catch them, then we cook them. When the client call, we book them. We can shoot them, we can hook them. Chase them down in the wild, then lay them in the pile. This iguana lifestyles, we've been hunting for a while. I can spot them from a mile. This iguana lifestyles, baby.
Real fast, I'm gonna show you how they're lined up. These fucking things are huge. Those are all iguana heads. There's one big one right down there. There's like 3 big ones. But I think this one's gonna be the one to get the business. Look at Broski trying to lay down. I'm trying to stay far away from them because it's hard to shoot from this angle. So I'm actually gonna go all the way down. And you can see they're running into these trees right here. I'm just gonna turn it around, trying not to scare them. Usually if you pass by once, they're not scared the second time because you already passed by once. See how many I can get. So now they're all lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got one down there. I'm just gonna drive by. 1 shot kills. Bum, bum, bum. I'm already 2 for 2. I think we're gonna have a good shot at this one. And like I said, got the rest lined up. About to get shit here. Just one big one over here. There you go. About to give this one the business real quick. Ain't got no one, so you guys won't be able to see the shot. Sorry. Just took the shot real fast. 1 hit, kill. That's it. That's all we do. About to go get these other ones. I'm gonna leave that one there and go for the other ones. Number 2 just got it. We still got number 1 there. I want to go for that big one right there next. Hopefully he doesn't run away. So as we stalk our prey, trying to get a nice angle shot. As you can see, big boy is right there. I'm in the car. There's a little more room. Cool. Show you the shot I want. Right there. Right from the car. Got my big boy. Let's see how I do. 1 shot. 1 shot, and it went right to his eye. Ooh. He is done for it. I'm gonna put one just in case to make it a little bit faster, but he's done. Big boy. I got the big one that I wanted. That is a fat one. Good job, broski. Pat on the back. I've taken a total of 5 shots, 5 kills. This is how you're supposed to do it. You know what? I got 2 in the car already, and you guys kind of saw me go down this strip. I'm assuming he has a little bit of life. Let's find out. No, he's out. You know that. Wash all that blood out. I want it in my car. But look at this massive. He was in paradise. Oh, feeling his nerves. Keeping it inside. Nice and cold with the AC, so the meat don't go bad. Got this one. Oh, I already popped the trunk. Oh, look, got one in the bag. It's for the blood. Gotta do the same thing to this one. Put them in the bag. How's it going today? So we have a very, very special treat. I'm tired. Been up since 5 o'clock this morning. It's about 9:15 at night. I really want to take a shower and go to bed. But I have a special trip tomorrow. So I promised Jacob and Ashley that I was going to bring some fresh iguana meat. So I just took the iguana meat out of the fridge. So I'm going to show you how to cut one up real quick. I'm only going to do the tail and the legs. Then I'm going to blanch it real quick and then throw it through the grinder. Season it up sausage, spicy sausage, and hamburger style. Those are the 2 styles I want to bring up to them. They had it, but I don't think they cooked it right. So I want them to enjoy the iguana cooked correctly, and then we'll go from there. Let's jump to the next scene real quick and grab these iguanas out the bag. Oh, that's his mouth. Always rinse and clean off your iguanas. Any reptile. It was frozen, you just defrost it. I said, just gonna get the legs and the tail. I guess as much as possible. When I finish with it, I'm gonna throw it in the bag.